An online web store is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to sell products and services online, making it easy for customers to purchase from anywhere. With the rise of online shopping, an online store is essential for businesses to stay competitive and grow their customer base. Having an online store also provides businesses with more opportunities to increase revenue, as they can reach customers who may not have been able to visit their physical location. Without an online store, businesses risk losing customers to competitors who offer the convenience of online shopping. In addition, managing sales and inventory manually can be time-consuming and error-prone, which can lead to loss of revenue and customer trust. By signing up for the Rooah SimplePlan, businesses can take advantage of the free online store feature. This service includes free setup and customization, secure payment processing, and management of inventory and shipping. The Rooah SimplePlan also includes additional features such as website design and development, SEO services, and technical support, all in one package. Don't miss out on the opportunity to reach a wider audience and grow your business. Sign up for the SimplePlan and get your online store for free today.